Hello everyone, welcome to CSAT weekly session of Level Up IAS. So in today's session, we will do another topic of reasoning, that is cubes. Now with cubes, the thing is that this topic was not asked in the previous years that much, but in recent years, this topic has been asked. So that is why we are covering it, but we cannot say for sure that exam में ये topic आएगा या नहीं. At the same time, if you understand it, तो बहुत easy topic है. It's mainly a game of visualization, right? So firstly, let's see how many questions have been asked. In 2024, there was one question. Then in 2023, there were two questions. Then in 2019, one question was there. In 2018, now also in cubes, there are two kinds of questions. One question is when you paint the faces of cubes, or if you have to cut cubes into smaller cubes, and then they ask what is the number of cubes, that is one-sided painting, and so on. Other is like this. In that you have an image, you are asked to see कि इस face के opposite कौन सा face होगा, and then you have to answer questions with respect to the image. ठीक है? So we will see how to do both the kinds of questions in this topic. Now, okay, so in 2018 there were two questions. In 2017 also there was a question. In 2016, 15, okay, and then in 13 also. So as you can see that earlier 2013, 15, 16, 17 and 18, then 19 questions were asked, but after 19 there was a kind of, you can say, break in between. Then in 2022, 23, 24 again cubes questions have been asked. Okay, so firstly, before starting any of this, let us see cube क्या होता है. ठीक है? This is a cube. Okay, a cube is what? A cube is just a 3-dimensional square. ठीक है? So आप एक square बनाते हो and you have equal sides. ठीक है? Rubik's cube तो सबने देखा होगा. Everybody must have seen Rubik's cube. So joining squares like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Joining squares like this, you get a 3-dimensional cube. That is, cube is, what is cube? Length into breadth into height. Length is also equal, breadth is also equal, height is also equal. Okay, this is a cube. Okay, in which length, breadth and height, all three are equal. Now this cube is being divided into cubes like this. ठीक है? कैसे? If you have to divide one side into 3, you will put 2 lines like this. ठीक है? So as I said earlier also, cubes क्या है? Cubes is mostly visualization, right? Now let's move on to the first question, and we will solve the questions with the help of the diagram so that you can understand how to visualize. Now in the first question, what is the least possible number of cuts required to cut a cube into 64 identical pieces? ठीक है? ये question है. So let's see here. How many pieces will be here in this cube? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 in the above layer, ऐसे. Then if you remove the above layer, cut the above layer, that is, remove the above layer like this. ये ऐसे घुमाया है ना, now you're left with this. Again 9 pieces in the second layer. 9, 9, and then you remove the second layer. You are left with the last layer. Again 9 pieces here. ठीक है? So in total you have 27 pieces in the cube. How many cubes are there on one side? That is 3. 27 pieces कैसे हैं? 3 multiply 3 multiply 3, right? अच्छा 3 कैसे आया? By putting 2 cuts. ठीक है, that means if you are putting 2 cuts lengthwise, 2 cuts lengthwise, 2 cuts breadthwise, 2 cuts, and then height wise 2 cuts, so in total 6 cuts. ठीक है, then you are getting what? In total 6 cuts if you are putting, then you are getting a cube of 2 plus 1 3, 2 plus 1 3, 2 plus 1 3, 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 27. Then you are getting a cube like this, right? Now question says, how many cuts should I make, minimum number of cuts to get 64 cubes? So I know 4, 4, 4, 16, 4 the 64. ठीक है, that means 4 minus 1 3, 3, 3. So that means if you have a cube like this, ठीक है, you have a cube like this, you will put 3 cuts like this. Imagine cutting an apple, ठीक है, or imagine making a cube out of a clay and then cutting it. So you will put 3 cuts like this, 1, 2, 3. What will you get? 4 parts. Then you put 3 cuts. Then you put 3 cuts like this. 1, 2, 3. ठीक है. Now you have cut this, but this is left. This portion. Put again 3 cuts. 1, 2, 3. ठीक है. आ जाएगा एकदम रूबिक्स क्यूब जैसे, रूबिक्स क्यूब ऑफ 4 क्रॉस 4 क्रॉस 4. This is what you will get by putting 3 cuts. So in total, what is the minimum number of cuts you can put? 3 cuts here, 3 cuts here, 3 cuts here, 3 cuts here. So that means you get 9 cuts. ठीक है. Now the thing is, exam में पूछा है what is the minimum number of cuts. So you see, if you take any other way, for example, if I want 64, if I want to divide this into 64 cubes, let's say this is my cube. ठीक है, हमें इसको 64 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करना है. इट इज नॉट सेट दैट डिवाइड इट इनटू इक्वल 64 पार्ट्स या व्हाटएवर. ठीक है, सो यू कैन आल्सो सी दैट इफ आई मेक 63 कट्स, 1, 2, 3, आई नो 3 कट्स पे यू गेट 4 पार्ट्स, 63 कट्स पे यू विल गेट 64 पार्ट्स. ठीक है, but the thing is 63 cuts along the same line also you will get 64 parts. But the thing is question में क्या बोला है, minimum number of cuts. To have minimum number of cuts, we divide this into equal parts, that is we divide it into 3 cross 3 cross 3, because I know 3 cuts this side I will get 4, then 4, 4, that means I will get 64 cubes if I put 3 cuts on each side. Okay, so for the first question, what is the least possible number of cuts? That is 9 cuts. ठीक है, 3 cuts on each side, length, breadth and height. Now moving on to the next question of CSAT 2023. Question में क्या है? 125 identical cubes are arranged in the form of cubical block. Okay, how many cubes are surrounded by other cubes from each side? See, question क्या है? 125 identical cubes. So again फिर से इस इमेज पे आ जाते. Just like here, यहाँ पर कितने identical cubes है that are stick together? I know 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. Here there are 27 cubes that are stick together. How many of these are the ones which are surrounded by cubes on all sides? ये question है. Now let's see the first layer. इसमें तो all sides से कुछ surrounded ही नहीं है, right? You know that it is the topmost layer, so nothing is surrounded. That means from here I will remove this. Again in the last layer also I will remove. ठीक है? So from this you had three parts, 1, 2, 3. You are removing the first part -1 and you are removing the next part -1. ठीक है, so now you are left with the middle most layer of the cube. अब उसमें से देखना है how many cubes are there that are surrounded by cubes on all sides. वो ये वाली लेयर भी नहीं होगी, this one, ठीक है, because 1 2 3 these cubes are not surrounded by cubes, outer cubes तो नहीं लेने. That means यहाँ से भी what you will do is subtract 1. So आप क्या कर रहे हो? You have length, breadth and height of what? How many cubes are there? And you are subtracting 1 from above, 1 from below. ठीक है? That means if your length is 3, now your length is what? Earlier your length is 3. Now your length is 3 minus 1 from above, minus 1 from below. Right? Earlier your breadth was 3. Now subtract 1 from here, 1 from here. ठीक है? That means 3 minus 1 minus 1. Then height was also, ऐसे करके देखो, height was also 3. Subtract this and this. minus 1 minus 1. So what you are doing is you are subtracting outermost layer of the cube. क्योंकि आपको पता है inner cubes जो होंगे they are surrounded by cubes on all sides. सिर्फ outer cubes नहीं होंगे surrounded. Similarly here in this question you had 125 cubes. That means आपका cube कैसे था? Cube was like this. ठीक है, 1 2 3 4 5. Similarly going back like this. ठीक है, you had a cube like this. Now you will subtract. You know how many cubes are there? 1 2 3 4 5. ये layer subtract कर दोगे because this is not surrounded by any other. Then you will subtract this upper layer also, this bottom layer also, this layer also, ये वाली पूरी. ठीक है, so हम what will be left? We will be left with this one. ठीक है, we will be left with inner portion, that is this one. ठीक है, so you have 5 cross 5 cross 5. Subtract upper layer, subtract bottom layer. -1 -1. 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. That means 27 cubes are there that are surrounded by cubes from all sides. So this will be your answer. Option A, 27. Okay. Now let's move on to the next question. Question 2 of CSAT 2023. इसमें क्या है? A cuboid of dimension 7 cross 5 cross 3. Okay, again this is also an easy question. Mostly you have to do, you have to imagine the cube. So a cuboid of dimension 7 cross 5 cross 3 is painted red, green and blue color on each pair of opposite face of dimension 7 cross 5, 5 cross 3, 7 cross 3. Okay. Cuboid is separated into various cubes, each of length 1 centimeter. Which of the following statements are correct? So let's do one thing. I'll just make a cuboid like this so that it becomes easier for you to imagine. ठीक है, this is a face of 5 cross 3. That means there is one more face like this. ये क्या है? Face of 7. ठीक है, so you have 1 2 3 4 5 and extending this you have 6 also. Okay, this is the cube that you have. This side is 5. ठीक है, this side is 3, this side is 7. I have kept the cube like this. Now question is what? Question में क्या है? 7 multiply 5 multiply 3, red, green, blue. That means on opposite pairs. 7 cross 5 is what? 7 cross 5 is painted red. 7 cross 5 ये वाला face है. This face is red. Then 5 cross 3. This face, the one at the front. 5 cross 3 is painted green. ठीक है? ठीक है? 5 cross 3 is painted green. 7 cross 3 is painted blue. ऐसे red, green, blue paint हुआ हुआ. Now you are dividing it into 1 centimeter cubes. That means you are cutting like this and dividing it into so on 1 centimeter cube. ठीक है? This is the question that you have. I hope that now you can visualize this. Question में क्या है? There are exactly 15 small cubes with no paint on any face. The concept which I have explained you. Cubes क्या है हमारे पास? 7 multiply 3 multiply 5. This is my dimension. Again, I have to find no face painted. That means I have to find inner faces. Inner cubes. Inner cubes कैसे आएंगे? Subtract the upper layer of each side. That means 7 minus 2. Multiply 3 minus 2. Multiply 5 minus 2. Upper layer from this, upper layer from this. 7 minus 2 is what? 5. Multiply 3 minus 2, 1. 5 minus 2, 3. So in total, 15 cubes are there which are on the inside. That means no face will be painted. So yes, there are exactly 15 small cubes. Statement 1 is correct. Now moving on to statement 2. There are exactly 6 small cubes with exactly 2 face painted, one with blue and other with green. आपको blue and green के आपको cubes find out करने हैं with 2 faces painted blue and green. Firstly, what will be the cubes with 2 faces painted? See, यहाँ पर if you take this one, it will have 1, 2, 3 faces painted. But if you take this one, how many faces will be painted? 1 and 2, because other faces are on the inside. So that means I want this face. This is 1 cube. This is second one. ठीक है? This is, and I want green and blue only. So is there any other? Because यहाँ पर तो red आ जाएगा. So no cube from this side. यहाँ से कुछ भी नहीं होगा. ठीक है? Again, इधर back side will be red. So no cube from this side. Only 1 and 2 here. Similarly on the other face, 3 and 4. So in total 4 cubes will be there. So no, this is wrong. 4 small cubes hai with exactly 2 faces painted blue and green. So only statement 1, option A, 1 only. This will be your answer for the question. ठीक है? चलो. So you can see that cubes के question are not tough at all if you know how to visualize the cubes and if you know a few of the concepts. And in fact, without even knowing the concepts also, sometimes questions are easy, so you can solve. But again, अगर आप कर लोगे तो एग्जाम में जैसे आई हैव विजुअलाइज्ड एंड एक्सप्लेन कि ऐसे ऐसे करके होगा, अपर लेयर रिमूव करो. एग्जाम में यू डोंट हैव दैट काइंड ऑफ टाइम, सो यू शुड नो दैट व्हेनेवर इनर क्यूब्स आर आस्क्ड, just subtract 2 for 1 for upper layer, 1 for lower layer. Each face of a cube can be painted in black or white colors. In how many different ways can the cube be painted? Now see, इस question में क्या करना है? So you have firstly students confuse this with a question of permutation, which is they say that there are 6 faces. So for first face, I have 2 options, black or white. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So this will be 2 to the power 6. Okay. But the problem is that when we take black, white, 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 white. ठीक है? Also when we take white, black, white, 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 white. This is the same case in case of cubes. ठीक है? इट इज द सेम केस बिकॉज आप वो क्यूब में एक फेस ब्लैक पेंट कर रहे हो, तो इट इज द सेम केस हियर. इन दिस केस यू आर फिलिंग फर्स्ट ब्लैंक एंड यू आर फिलिंग सेकंड ब्लैंक. बट इन केस ऑफ क्यूब्स सिंस ऑल फेसेस आर आइडेंटिकल, वो डिफरेंट नहीं होते, सो दैट इज व्हाई दिस अप्रोच डज नॉट वर्क हियर. ठीक है. सो द फर्स्ट थिंग विच वी विल डू इज, I know that there are 6 faces, so I will take all white. First case is when all faces are white, all white paint कर दिया, so that means one case. Okay, next case is one white, one black. Next case is one black and 5 white. Then anyone can be painted black and 5 white. So one case for this. ठीक है. Then you have 2 black, 4 white. ठीक है. Now you imagine a cube like this. ठीक है. So 2 blacks and 4 white. You can have it in 2 ways. Either it can be 2 blacks on the opposite face, black and black. ठीक है. Black इस side है and black इस side है. And then whites कहाँ पर है? White, white, then white, white. ठीक है. This kind of cube. Other one is when 2 blacks are adjacent. So that means if I have black here, then I have black at the side of it. So you have 2 cases for this one as well. Then you have 3 black, 3 white. ठीक है. इसके देखो. अच्छा, firstly let's make all the other cases also. You have 3 black, 3 white. Then you have 4 black, 2 white. ठीक है. 4 black, 2 white तो same 2 cases. Then you have 5 black, 1 white. Again same 1 case. Then you will have what? All black. ठीक है. For all black again you will have 1 case. So that means till now 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. 8 cases are over. ठीक है. So okay, all the options are also greater than 8. So I have to find 3 black and 3 white cases. Now look at it from this point of view. You have to paint 3 faces black, 3 faces white. ठीक है. So we'll just talk about 3 black faces in the cube. Now let's say you paint this black, black, and then the backward face also black. So all 3 blacks are adjacent to each other in one line, right? So if you have a cube like this, जैसे ये है green, this is black, this orange is black, and then backward face of orange, this side, this is also black. This is first case. Other case is what? When 2 are here, 2 are adjacent, but 1 is not. So that means black, black, and black here. So this is the second case. बाकी जगह white होगा. So that means there are 2 cases for this one also. 3 black and 3 white you have 2 cases. ठीक है. So 8 plus 2 in total 10 cases you have. And option B 10 will be my answer. Okay. So this was for 2019 question. इसमें थोड़ा सा you had to be aware about the concept. Now moving on to CSAT 2018 question. ठीक है. अब ये exactly cube का paint पे question नहीं है. This is how well you understand the reasoning of cube. Now rotated position of a single solid are shown below. Various faces of the solid are marked with different symbol like dot, cross, line. What is the symbol on face opposite to that containing a single dot? Okay, so from this you have to analyze. Now see, firstly, यहाँ पर this line is like this, and now this line is like this. That means you have rotated it. ठीक है. ये line ऐसे है. अच्छा, rotate आप rotate you can do left also, you can do right also. ठीक है. So that means you have rotated it, but 2 face जो कि यहाँ था, this face is coming forward. That means आप इसको ऐसे rotate कर रहे हो इस cube को. So this means what? If 2 is coming forward, this means यहाँ पर 2 के back side यहाँ पर this will be 3 dots. ठीक है. 3 dots here. Now, along with 3 dots, 4 dots are also adjacent when this line is like this. That means on this side, white ke side mein, you will have 4 dots. This is the shape of your cube, and here there is a line. So below in the face, that is cube जिस face से रखा है वहां पे क्या होगा, एक क्रॉस होगा. This is your final cube. Question क्या है? What is the symbol on the face opposite to that containing a single dot? Single dot के opposite क्या है? 3 dots 2 के side में. So 3 dots. Option B will be your answer. Next question is, along with this you have few other questions. What is the symbol on the face opposite to that containing 2 dots? So 2 dots के opposite क्या है? देखो, as we just discussed, देखो 2 dots के just opposite 4 dots. ठीक है, this is the symbol opposite to 2 dots. Then you have one more question. What is the symbol on the face opposite to that containing the cross? You just saw क्रॉस बिल्कुल बिलो था बॉटम पे, एंड ऊपर क्या था? सिंगल लाइन. ठीक है, सो ऑप्शन सी line will be your answer for this one. So once you visualize the cube, once you know कि किस face, what is, which face is opposite which one, then it becomes very easy. So it was a very easy question, and along with this you could do 3 questions. So it was scoring also. Now next question is, a solid cube of side 3 centimeter painted on all its faces, cut up into small cubes of side 1 centimeter. How many small cubes will it have exactly 2 painted faces? Now let's go back to this image. ये तो है ही 3x3 का क्यूब, so it will be very easy for you to understand. You want exactly 2 faces painted. ये face देखो जो edge पर है, 3 faces painted. That means I don't want this. I want faces like this. ठीक है? So 1, how many edges are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then वहां पर 11, 12. Have I counted this one? 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. ठीक है? I must have counted one extra. So I just wanted to show you that there are 12 edges in a cube. Now, you know that for every edge, हर edge पर there is one cube that is painted only twice in exactly 2 colors. So that means 12 edges है तो 12 multiply 1 cube on each edge. 12 cubes will be there with 2 colors. ठीक है? So answer for this question is option A, 12. Okay. Now moving on to the next question of PISA 2017. Outer surface of a cube of a 4x4x4 cube painted completely in red, it is sliced into parallel faces, yield 64 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter small cubes. How many small cubes do not have painted faces? Repetition of the same question. Now we don't even have to make the diagram. We know do not have any face painted. That means you want inner cubes. You want to subtract 2 layers, one from above, one from below for each side. So 4 minus 2, 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. Option A, 8 will be your answer. ठीक है? Next question. अब ये देखो ये क्वेश्चन कितनी बार रिपीट हो गया. It's been repeated so many times. ठीक है? So you know that ऐसा क्वेश्चन यूपीएससी पूछ रही है. वन साइडेड पेंटेड, नो साइडेड पेंटेड, इनर क्यूब्स पे तो बहुत बार पूछ लिया. ठीक है? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, a cube has all its faces painted with different colors. All faces different colors. That means how many faces are there? 6. 6 faces, 6 colors. It is cut into smaller cubes of equal sizes such that side of small cube is 1/4 the big cube. So you have this cube, ठीक है, side of small cube is 1/4 the big cube. That means you have cubes of 4 cross 4 dimension. ऐसे है. Now side of big cube is what? 4. Side of small cube is 1. The number of small cubes with only one side of the sides painted. अब देखो only one side painted. I know यहाँ पर क्या है 3 side painted. ये cube ठीक है 3 1 2 3 3 side. But I know of this one 1 2 3 4. Only one side is painted. That is the upper side. यहाँ पर भी 2 sides painted है जो edges पर है. So you just want the cubes that are on the surface, not on the edge. So 1 2 3 4. 4 cubes on one face. How many faces are there? 6 faces. That means 6 multiply 4. 24 cubes in total. Option B, 24 will be your answer. Okay. Now moving on to the, so you will see if you visualize, if you try to imagine the cube or if you draw also, then the questions will be very, very easy for you. Now let's discuss this question of CSAT 2015. Each of the 6 different faces of cube have been coated with a different color. ठीक है, ऐसे करके they are of different color. Following information is given. Color YOB are on adjacent faces. So that means YOB should be together. They should share at least one side, all 3. So let us assume this is Y, then this is O, this is B. ठीक है? You know that color BGY are on adjacent faces. BGY also have to be on adjacent faces. B and Y are here. What color can G take so that G is also with them? Obviously, only this side is left. BGY, only this side is left. So the only option with G is that it takes the side opposite to O. Question क्या था? What is the color of the face opposite to face colored with O? G. C. Option C. G will be your answer. ठीक है? If you want to solve the complete question, you have I, G, Y are on adjacent faces. So if G is on this face, I will be here so that I, G, Y is also on adjacent. O, V, B are on adjacent, so V will be at the bottom face. This much only for this question. Now moving on to the next question, that is of CSAT 2013. So in this question you have a cube has 6 numbers marked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 on its faces. 3 views of the cube are shown below. What possible numbers can exist on the 2 faces marked A and B respectively? This is your question. ठीक है? So देखो, from here you have to deduce A and B, what possible numbers can be there. From this thing, you have 3 here. You know that 5 and 6 are adjacent to 3. You also know that 1 and 2 are also adjacent to 3, not on the same side. That means इस side 1 and 2 होगा या फिर इस side 1 and 2 होगा. ठीक है? Now you can also see that 6 and 1, they are also adjacent. That means 6 के opposite 1 नहीं हो सकता. So can I fix that? Opposite to 6 is 2. 6 के opposite वाले face पे 2 है and 5 के opposite वाले face पे 1 है. That means below 5 number is 4. ठीक है? This is the final arrangement of the cube. अब आपसे पूछा है A and B की क्या value हो सकती है? I know that whatever value A and B can take, they cannot be 1. 1 क्यों नहीं हो सकते? Because 1 is opposite 5. So 1 cannot be adjacent to 5 in any case. Now look at the options you have. 2 and 3, 6 and 1, 1 and 4, 3 and 1. So obviously you cannot have an option with 1. So option A, 2 and 3 will be your answer. ठीक है? So this was it for your topic of cubes. I hope that you understood all the questions. So in this topic, once you understand the concept, questions are not that difficult, and more you have to visualize the cubes and you have to visualize the questions as per asked. Also, accuracy is not an issue in this topic because एक बार concept समझ में आ गया. For example, if you know the concept how to find inner cubes, right? Then you know that you just have to subtract 2 from this. So accuracy is not an issue in this topic. Understanding and visualizing the cubes is an issue which the students should work on. Thank you so much for watching the video.